Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to disable automatic updates for the Facebook app on your Android device. By following these steps, you can take control of your app updates and manage them according to your preferences. To begin, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Look for the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to launch the store. Next, locate and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu, select Settings to access the Settings menu for the Google Play Store. This is where you can adjust various preferences related to app updates and other features. Within the Settings menu, find and tap on Network Preferences. This section allows you to customize network-related settings for the Play Store and app updates. Finally, within the Network Preferences menu, you'll see an option labeled Don't Auto-Update Apps. Select this option to disable automatic updates for all apps, including the Facebook app. By following these steps, you can effectively disable automatic updates for the Facebook app on your Android device. Taking control of your app updates gives you the freedom to update apps manually and avoid unexpected changes. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you customize your app update settings to suit your needs.